Ellen, thank you so much for the work that you have done with the Christian Church Capital A area. You have brought energy and joy and a wonderful spirit to your work and to the life of the region.
We want to wish you much luck, much success, and God's blessing in your future endeavors.
Alan, we wish you the best of everything, and take care. Keep in touch. If you need us, you know we're always here.
Yes.
God bless.
I just want to say thank you, Alan, for being an amazing, supportive minister, for challenging us, for encouraging us to grow, and for speaking the truth in love.
Hi, Reverend Alan. Thank you for your prayers.
We love you, and we thank God for you, for your prayers, for your trust, for your encouragement, for your words of affirmation.
Thank you for bringing light to this region through your continuous emails and Facebook and Twitter. You are a social media pastor extraordinaire. We celebrate your gifts and your talents and your faithfulness.
I know that God has great things in store for you. Please, please make sure that you post it on Facebook so that we'll all know where and what God is doing in your life. God bless you. Be strong and be encouraged.
This is our sincere and heartfelt thanks to you, Alan, for the ministry and leadership you have provided.
And now that you're gone and we don't have your wisdom, we'll have to start reading some of these books.
A is for all that you brought to the region and all that you've done. L is for the laughter and good times we've enjoyed. L is for your love and welcome for everyone. E is for your enthusiasm, your energy in everything you do. And N is for your wonderful, welcoming, giving nature.
Alan, you've done an exceptional job serving congregations and pastors. You truly are a pastor to pastors. We're going to miss you, but we send you forth with prayers and blessings as you embark upon a new journey. God be with you.
I just want to thank you again for all that you did to support me, to encourage me, to push me forward at Heritage. I thank you, I celebrate you, and I wish nothing but God's best for you in the future.
I especially appreciate the way that you truly listen to each individual, and also that firm but gentle push to keep us growing as a justice-oriented church.
I want to thank Alan for being there for all of the youth in the region and helping us out along the way. Thank you so much.
I've been so inspired by the energy and patience and creativity you've brought to this region, and I feel blessed to count you as a friend and a colleague. Many blessings on your next steps.
Your energy, enthusiasm, and skill in every area of your ministry has been amazing. I love you, thank you, already miss you, and wish you every happiness.
We're going to miss you. You've been a great regional minister, a good colleague, and a friend. I respect and trust your judgment. You're an exceptional pastor and an exceptional person. I wish you well on your journeys into the future.
I just want to be a part of the thanks and celebration of you. Thank you for the work you've given to the region. Thank you for your presence here at UCP.
You have been truly a gift to us here at the parish, to our congregation for those times you've come and worshiped with us and led our worship. So we wish you blessings where you go. We give thanks for you and all that you have done. You will be sorely missed.
Just want you to know that we are so grateful for your presence among us in so many ways. We wish you well, and we hope that in the small world of Disciples Land, our paths will cross often in the future.
I was privileged to be on the committee that called you to this region, and I'm saddened to see you leaving us. But I want to wish you Godspeed and blessings on whatever new ministry God may be leading you into. And I'm glad that you're having the opportunity in this way to strengthen your family with Craig and to know that you're loved by this region and many, many more. Blessings, my friend, and keep in touch.
I want to thank you for your ministry with us over these last 5 years. I wanted to also thank you personally for your collegiality, for your friendship, and for your constant support. I wish you all the best and many blessings as you set off on the next leg of your journey.
Hi, Alan. I'm here with a few of our memories that we've shared together. We've been up on Capitol Hill because I know you believe in lifting up the lives and the opportunities of all of God's children. Thank you, Alan. I'm going to miss you enormously, and I hope we stay acting together.
Because of his big heart, his open mind, his servant leadership, and his passion for justice, I will always include Reverend Alan Harris among those whom I have with great respect called Bishop. Good luck and blessings, Bishop. We'll miss you.
Alan, I want to say that I'm so grateful for you, for who you are, for your hard work, for your passion, for your enthusiasm, for your friendship. May the Lord continue blessing your life and enlightening your path. Until, my friend, we meet again.
We love you. We love you.